Hello everyone! You must have seen a lot of innovative products in the market lately. Today, we'll be unboxing one such unique product. It's the Talking Srimad Bhagvat Geeta. It comes with a talking pen and has been translated into three languages: Sanskrit, Hindi, and English. So this is the box. It has been designed nicely. It has a stand and a lock to keep the book safe. These are the tags. When you pull these up, you can put up the stand and you can place the book here and read. So the speciality of this product is that it comes with an electronic pen that reads all of the images, page numbers, shlokas, and the text in the book. Along with the pen, you'll receive a USB data cable to charge the pen. There's also a Srimad Bhagavad Gita book with it. So let's unbox it. Open the box. This is the Srimad Bhagavad Gita book. Here, a tag is given. Now, when you lift this up, this platform will rise and you can easily take out the book. This is the electronic talking pen, and this is the charging cable that you will receive with the book. So let's turn on the pen now and let's see how it works. I'll press this button.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namah.
Lord, your presence.
Srimad Bhagvat Gita.
So it's on now. Let's see how it works on the book. See how we put the stand and we place the book on the stand. So this is the cover page of the book. It has been beautifully illustrated, and this is the title. So I'll place the pen on the title and let's see how it works. We'll place it here.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namah.
Lord, your presence.
Srimad Bhagvat Gita.
So when you place the pen on the text, it reads the text. Now let's move further. This is the content page, also known as Vishay Suchi. The book has 18 chapters. Now I'll place the pen over here and let's see.
Ath Prathamo Adhyayah.
So this reads the text given when you place it on the text. Now from this page onwards, the shlokas begin. So the shlok is given over here in Sanskrit. Underneath it, it's Hindi and English translation is given with every shlok. So I'll keep the pen on the Sanskrit shlok.
धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय.
So it reads the shlok in Sanskrit when you keep it on the Sanskrit shlok. Now let's see its Hindi translation. So I'll place the pen on the Hindi translation.
धृतराष्ट्र ने पूछा, हे संजय, धर्म क्षेत्र कुरुक्षेत्र में एकत्र युद्ध की इच्छा वाले मेरे और पांडु के पुत्रों ने क्या किया?
When you place it on the Hindi translation, it reads the Hindi translation of the shlok. Now let's see the English translation. I'll place the pen.
Dhritarashtra said, when my troops and the sons of Pandu, eager to fight, were arrayed on the Kuru field, the field of law, what did they do, Sanjaya?
So likewise, it will read out the shloks for you in Sanskrit, Hindi and English languages on pointing at the respective language. Not only that, but if you keep it on the page numbers, it reads out the page numbers as well. So I'll place it over here.
6, 7,
It reads out the page number. It reads out the images as well as the sounds of the objects in the images. So like in this image, there's a conversation going on between Arjun and Lord Krishna. So let's see how this pen works on the image.
अर्जुन, तू न शोक करने योग्यों के लिए शोक करता है और पंडितों के से वचन कहता है, किंतु बुद्धि संपन्न पंडित जन जिनके प्राण चले गए हैं उनके लिए तथा जिनके प्राण नहीं गए हैं उनके लिए भी शोक नहीं करते। तू पंडितों जैसी बातें भर करता है, वस्तुतः ज्ञाता है नहीं, क्योंकि
So this is how it reads out the image on pointing it on the image. It also includes the 108 names of Lord Sri Krishna in Sanskrit, Hindi and English. These are the names of Lord Krishna. When you point out the pen at each name, it reads out the names as well. So let's see how it works. I'm placing the pen on
Achala Bhagwan.
So when you place the pen on the Sanskrit name, it gives the Hindi meaning of the name as well. Now let's place it on the English.
1. Achala Bhagwan.
So when you place it on the English name, it gives the Hindi meaning as well. Apart from this, it also contains all the artis of all the deities. Now when you place the pen on each of these, it will play the respective artis.
Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganesh.
Ati Sai Baba Saukya Data.
So you see, you can hear the corresponding arti when you point the pen at any of them. So this is the Geeta summary. So this was the summary of the entire Bhagavad Gita. This was all about the book and how the pen works on it. Let's keep it inside and let's explore the pen. So this is how the pen works, and this is the USB port in which you can attach this data cable and charge the pen. This is the on and off button. These two buttons over here are used for recording if you want to record any audio. This is the volume button, and there's also another port given which is used to plug in the headphones. So this is all about the pen. Now let's switch it off. Hold this button for a few seconds.
Bye.
The pen is off. This, in my opinion, is one of a kind product. It is exquisitely designed and illustrated for people of our generation who want to read the Bhagavad Gita but have difficulty reading Sanskrit. This is a boon. It is also an excellent product for children as they will learn about our culture and sacred scriptures from this book, as it is very handy. It is also suitable for gifting, as you can gift it to your parents and grandparents on various occasions. They'll be delighted to have it. Overall, it is a very good product and I would strongly recommend to everyone.